everyone and welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to show you how I do my baked potatoes, or as us Brits call them, jacket potatoes, in the air fryer. So I have a jacket spud here. I have some foil, and what I'm going to do is just prick the jacket potato. You can use a fork, you can use a knife. I've just chose this skewer. And it's spitting all at me, all the juice of the spud. Right, now we've got some vegetable oil in this little spray bottle, and I'm going to just do a couple of sprays. Then I'm going to just rub that around the potato, like this. And when you have done that, I've got my foil here, and I find this is the best way to do jacket potatoes, rather than put them in without the foil. So just wrap it so you can easily undo the foil without ripping it. So just wrap it like this. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this on. And we have a preheat setting. I don't think you can see it too well. No, I can sort that out on the editing. Right, I've just put this on. I'm just going to press the preheat setting and go to 200. And then I'm just going to press start rather, and that will give it 5 minutes, and then I'll put this spud in there. Okay, the air fryer is now preheated, so I'm just going to pop this in there like that. Actually, I'm going to turn it so the fold is downwards. I think you can see that. Anyway, basically, fold is downwards, and now I'm going to pop it back in the air fryer. As you can see, the potatoes in there. It's off to its sauna. Okay, so now I'm going to press that button again to just wake up the screen. Right, I'm just going to set this to 200 now and put it on for 45 minutes. You see, this way you don't have to come down halfway through cooking and turn it over. And there we go. I will see you in 45 minutes time. Okay. So it's all done now. Now I'm just going to open this up, and I'm going to stick a knife into it to see if it's ready. It should be. Yeah, that's lovely and soft. So now what I'm going to do, now this is the reason I folded the foil in such a particular way. Okay, I've just brought it over. Now I'm going to pop this back in. I'm just going to pop this back on, and I'm just going back up to the temperature of 200, and then I'm going to pop the time on for 8 minutes, press go, and this will crisp it up, so you'll have a nice crispy potato rather than a soft skinned one. So I've just crisped it up over, obviously only on one side, but that's nice and crisp now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that on a plate, pop some butter on it, a little bit of salt, bit of pepper, and some cheese and some baked beans, and that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to be eating this. So, hair in my mouth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to see you again very soon with a different kind of video next time. Nothing air fryer, something else. I hope you're enjoying these air fry videos up to press. At least this went well. I know this will go well because I've done it lots of times. So I will see you again next time. So press the thumbs up if you want to. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. I'll be very happy to have you here as part of my little YouTube family. I will see you again next time. Goodbye everyone.